Hi, I'm Sahar from the Microsoft Store. Today, we'll be covering some of the ways Microsoft helps individuals and organizations working from anywhere achieve a better work-life balance by using tools in Microsoft 365.
It's easy to feel overwhelmed with meetings during my work week, and too many can force me to work late into the evening. Even during those rare meeting-free blocks, my focus is interrupted with emails and chats. Research has shown that it can take over 20 minutes to refocus, even after checking just one email. With My Analytics, a service that's available for businesses using Microsoft 365, I was able to create a focus plan and build time into my day to concentrate. My Analytics is available for everyone using Microsoft 365 that has business-hosted emails. My Analytics helps you prioritize your well-being and reflect on your goals with regular emails sent straight to your inbox. From these emails, you can go directly to the My Analytics dashboard. By selecting the Focus tab from the dashboard, then Plan Configuration, you can create a focus plan to help you schedule 1 to 2 hours every day to focus. You even have the option to let My Analytics book that time automatically for you. Teams chats and notifications are silenced during your booked focus time to help you work uninterrupted.
With my focus plan, I found it easier to complete work during work hours and can reflect on my progress through automated focus plan weekly updates sent to my inbox. But a work-life balance is more than how you spend your workday, it's how you spend your quiet hours too. My Analytics also lets you prioritize your well-being by helping you to unplug from emails, meetings and chats outside of your working hours, giving you more time to relax and recharge.
You can update working hours in the Wellbeing tab by selecting Configure Working Hours. By doing so, you can see how well you're keeping up with your goal of disconnecting after work hours and on weekends.
If a colleague drafts an email to send to you during your quiet hours, they'll get a notification suggesting that they send during normal business hours. You'll also receive a weekly digest email about your quiet hours habits to help you reflect on your well-being. New personal wellbeing experiences are coming to Teams too. Learn more at aka.ms/productivity and wellbeing. Tools like these help build a better work-life balance culture across your organisation, making sure everyone has time to recharge with their families, friends or hobbies. Finding your balance is hard, and sometimes you still need to catch up or prepare for the next day during your quiet hours. People that disconnect daily from work report lower levels of stress and anxiety. So try muting notifications during your quiet hours and scheduling 30 minutes in the evening for anything you may need to address. Many of us occasionally find ourselves in the reverse scenario as well, needing to address personal things during the work day. Microsoft Edge lets you quickly switch between work and personal profiles so that you can address those personal things on your work device without mixing the two.
If you need to make a doctor's appointment, you can quickly switch to your personal profile where your personal favourites and passwords are saved and synced across your devices. If you forget to switch back, automatic profile switching detects any site that requires work credentials and opens it in your Edge work profile.
Achieving work-life balance looks different for everyone, and flexibility is key. With mobile apps like Microsoft Teams and Outlook, you can stay connected even when you need to step away for an errand or step out for some fresh air. From the Teams app, you can join meetings, chat, open and share files, and more. I hope these tools help you find the right balance for you, so that you can get work done, stay mobile, and relax and recharge. Thanks for watching.